So one way to get started is, whenever you have an idea or a goal that you want to bring forth, immediately do something about it. Somebody who says, oh, I want to exercise more. Well, get down and do a push-up right now. Take a walk around your living room. Do something. Someone who says, oh, I want to write a book. Well, then sit down. Sit down right now and think of what kind of book do you want. Someone says, oh, I want to give up smoking. Well, do it right now. Don't wait. Don't wait for the right time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Do something. Get moving. When you have an idea, you want to lose weight? Put that piece of cake down right now. Get going. If you're wanting to get started on some kind of project, then put in your planner 10 minutes this week to get started. Another way to get started is to select a small piece of the task and do it. You've heard that old adage, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. One bite at a time. I don't recommend eating elephants. They're nice animals, but we get the idea, right? And you've heard, by the yard it's hard, but inch by inch, anything's a cinch. Take a little piece of that project or what it is that you want to move forward of and just do a little piece. Now you're getting started. Now you're moving. You know, like, oh, I want to get fit in the new year. Well, what's a little piece you could take? You could look up. If you're comfortable in this pandemic going to the gym, I am, but you may not be. Look online. Where's the closest gym? Or go online and look up a workout you can do at home. Just take a little step, whatever it might be.
Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.